Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video is going to be about this wonderful wet and wavy wig right here. Like, this is going to be my summer wig. I don't care what nobody say. I was probably seeing me all summer with this wig. Like, this is a bomb wig. Like, it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look and want to know more about the hair and how much you can get off on the hair and the percents and the codes and all that stuff, then just keep on watching.
Hi girl, if they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
So as you guys can see, the hair I'm going to be reviewing today is called Sogoodhair. Don't mind the back of the box. I had got makeup on it. I had makeup on my desk and I had got makeup on the box. But basically the box just tells you the wig information on the back and all that stuff. And then in the box it comes with the wig. And y'all, this wig is so bomb, but we're gonna talk about what's in it first. It comes with a wig cap, which is my favorite color to use because that's the closest to my skin color. And also comes with some bomb eyelashes that I didn't wear yet, but I love how like the box look with the eyelashes in them. But those are really cute. But like this hair, y'all, we just gonna hop right into this hair because this hair is like so freaking cute. So as you guys can see, this hair is straight out the box. I didn't do anything to it. It has a fake scalp, all that stuff. It also comes with 2 combs on the top and a comb in the middle, and one comb at the bottom, my bad, and adjustable straps. Let me tell y'all, it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that stuff. This wig is 18 inches and it is a water wave. I thought it was curly, so I probably said curly in like some of the parts of the video, but I didn't know it was water wave. Now I know that it's water wave, not curly, but it is so natural. And the density is 150. And I also have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put up on the screen. It's EVA10 for 10% off. So yeah, what I'm going to do is go ahead and start installing this wig, but just look at the curls and how they look. Like, what? All natural, boo. That's as natural as it's gonna get. So what I'm about to do now is go in and, you know, put this wig on. What I'm doing is cutting it and customizing it to my head. But as you guys look at the wig, y'all, like, look at the lace. I don't know if this is transparent lace or not, but just look at the lace and like just look how it looks. Like, it just looks so good. Like, look at it, how it's sitting on my skin. Like, wait till the finished look, y'all. It's gonna look so good. But I'm not finna stay here and, you know, talk y'all to death or nothing like that. So just enjoy watch me put on this wig.
Okay guys, my makeup is finished. This is how my hair is looking. I am not gonna leave it like this, of course not. I just want to come on and talk now because I just want to let you guys know this hair gives the natural feel and the natural deal. Like, the ends of the hair is like, you know how some girls will straighten their hair and they'll curl it back up, you know, it gives you that natural feel. The lace is hella good. It has a fake scalp already, which I already know because I already told y'all. But what I'm looking for now is my move, so I can at least try to like style it in a style. I don't know how I want to wear it, but I'm gonna let you guys know this. I love how it looks when it's what is it, like this. I love this look. Like, this is so cute. This is like the perfect summer wig ever. And you know, it's already hot where I live, so baby, You know what I'm saying? Like, cause like I was thinking, I was like, do I want to wear wigs this summer or do I want to wear you know, my real hair? If y'all hear Sam talking, I'm sorry, he's playing a game with his friends. But it's like I don't even know. Like I don't want to wear it like that though. To be honest, I don't want to wear it in a part at all. I might just like flip it in, put some pieces behind my ear or whatever. You know, the regular. But of course, I'm gonna go in and wet this hair. But I love how it looks big. Like, oh, I got makeup on my finger. I love how it looks big. Like, this is cute. But anyways, I'm gonna go in and style it now. I just want to come on and talk to y'all and let y'all know like how my I had to talk through a voiceover, baby. Well, not through a voiceover, because this right here is bomb. Like, I love it. I love it. And to me, it's being loud. So I'll see you guys when I'm back and it's all done and cute. Well, I'm finna style it. Y'all can see me styling and wet it up. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like. I did spray it a little bit, and all I did was put some of this conditioner that I used in his hair. Y'all, this is bomb ASF. This is the best color wig. I don't care. This is the best color wig I done got in a long time, because like usually the colors I get, they don't be pre-plucked, and they only be pre-plucked in the front, or I gotta bleach the knots, and I didn't have to do anything. Everything comes done, and look, wet lace, period. You know, so it's just like, you can wear this hair in different styles. If I wanted to, I could wear this hair up like this and just go on about my day. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just going about my day. So I think I might, I don't know, but I'm loving how it's just flowing. I just can't wait for this to dry. I wish I had a diffuser, because if I had a diffuser, I would really diffuse this, but you know, I don't have a diffuser because I don't use those type of things. And a good thing, another good thing about this wig, you do not have to do the edges on this wig, because look how it already comes. You know how like real hair already comes with the parts and all that in there? It already comes like that. But what I'm finna go do is put some clothes on and go ahead and put this look together for my babies real quick, and I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so this is how I decided to style my hair. I am really obsessed with this hair. Make sure y'all go check them out in the link down below. Like natural. I'm probably gonna wear my hair like this forever, probably. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not checked out this hair, go check it out and be linked down below. And if you're not on my social medias, they're on the screen, because everybody else like my social media on you. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.